Hey guys, welcome to my channel SSC Quantitative Aptitude and English Language. My name is Ayush Roy Choudhury. I have graduated from the University of Calcutta. I have cleared SSC CGL 2018 Prelims plus Mains and SSC CHSL 2018 Prelims plus Mains. My score in SSC CGL Mains examination in 2018 English Language is 198 out of 200. In this video, I will give you a few useful calculation techniques which will be helpful for you not only in SSC preparation but also in bank, railways and other state PSC exams. In SSC, earlier we had CIFI as the vendor which conducted our computer based examinations or the online examinations. But now it has been replaced by TCS. A common trait of TCS is giving easy arithmetic questions with lengthy calculations. Thus, time management is the crux here. The faster you solve, the better you score. And so today, in this calculation techniques series part 1, we will learn a few important tricks. First of all, we have to learn by heart the multiplication table up to 20, the squares up to 30, and cubes up to 25. Clear? Next, we have to practice calculations on a regular basis. Calculations should form our an important part of our daily life. Okay, just give calculations a time period of 15 to 20 minutes. Multiply any number, add any numbers. Okay, next we have to implement these techniques as well in our examinations. Then these are not hard and fast rules. These are not hard and fast rules because you may forget these techniques in the exam. Then you have to shift to the original ways or the normal ways we used to do in our school days. So here is the multiplication table up to 19. I hope you all know the multiplication up to 11. The complication starts when from 12 to 19 and 20 is easy. Next, the squares up to 30. I have provided the squares from 12 up to 30. Just take a screenshot of this one. Also this one. Okay. These are the cubes up to 20. Take a screenshot of this as well. Now, first of all, we will learn a few multiplication tricks. हम कुछ ट्रिक्स सीखेंगे पहले कि 5 से कैसे एक नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, 25 से कैसे करते हैं, 125 से कैसे करते हैं. फिर हम जाएंगे कि 9 से कैसे करेंगे, 99 से कैसे करते हैं, 101 से कैसे कर सकते हैं. मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय 11 हम सीखेंगे. ऑल्टरनेट नंबर्स के मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम सीखेंगे. फिर आप आएगा आपका होम टास्क. सो लेट्स बिगिन. चलिए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेक्निक होगा 5 का. एक बार हम रीड कर लेते हैं, फिर मैं आपको करके दिखाऊंगा. फर्स्ट, डिवाइड द नंबर बाय 2. सेकंड, इफ द रिमाइंडर इज 0. पहले कोई एक अगर नंबर हो जिसके साथ हम 5 मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो तो उस नंबर को पहले 2 से डिवाइड करना होगा. इफ द रिमाइंडर इज 0, अगर वो नंबर डिविजिबल हो जाए 2 से, यानी कि वो कोई अगर इवन नंबर हो, तब हम क्या करेंगे, 2 से डिवाइड करके कोशेंट को हम लिख देंगे एज इट इज और लास्ट में एक 0 पुट कर देंगे. और अगर वो एक ऑड नंबर हो तो रिमाइंडर तो 1 रहेगा. तब हम क्या करेंगे, यूनिट डिजिट में हम एक 5 पुट कर देंगे. यही है प्रोसेस. चलिए समझते हैं. देखिए, 25 इंटू 5 हमें पता है कि ये 125 होता है। तो कैसे हुआ देखिए, 25 को अगर हम डिवाइड करें तो हमारा कोशेंट क्या होगा, हमारा कोशेंट होगा 12, ठीक है, और रिमाइंडर कितना रहेगा 1। अगर रिमाइंडर 1 हो तो हमने क्या कहा था कि अगर रिमाइंडर 1 होगा तो यूनिट डिजिट में हम क्या डालेंगे 5, तो आ गया यहाँ पे 5, बस खत्म। 25 इंटू 5 क्या होगा 125। सिमिलरली इसमें भी देखिए, अगर हम 165 को अगर 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमारा कोशेंट होगा 82, रिमाइंडर होगा 1, और अगर रिमाइंडर 1 हो तो हम जानते हैं कि यूनिट डिजिट में क्या आ जाएगा 5 आ जाएगा। तो लो हमारा आंसर हो गया 825। क्लियर। 480, अब अगर हम 480 को हम अगर 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमारा क्वोशंट रहता है 240। अब देखिए कोई रिमाइंडर नहीं है तो क्या हम ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे, नहीं, तो फिर गलती हो जाएगी क्योंकि 480 इंटू 5 तो कभी भी 240 हो ही नहीं सकता, ठीक है। तो इसीलिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, यूनिट डिजिट में एक ज़ीरो लगाना पड़ेगा, बस, एंड योर वर्क इज डन। क्लियर। नेक्स्ट 25, रीड वंस। फर्स्ट डिवाइड द नंबर बाय 4। कोई भी एक नंबर हो जिसे हम 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, सॉरी 25 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, तो पहले उस नंबर को हमें 4 से डिवाइड करना होगा। डन। 25 इंटू 4 हमें पता है कि 100 होता है। बाद में आते हैं, सेकेंड स्टेप देखिए, मल्टीप्लाई द रिमाइंडर विथ 25 एंड इफ देयर इज नो रिमाइंडर देन पुट 2 zeros एट द एंड। अब ये क्या बात हुई, चलिए हम थोड़ा इसको रख देते हैं, हम प्रैक्टिकली समझते हैं क्या होता है। 25 इंटू 4, देखिए जब हम 4 को 4 से ही डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारा रिमाइंडर क्या बचेगा 1, रिमाइंडर सॉरी कोशेंट हो गया 1, रिमाइंडर कुछ नहीं रहा। अगर रिमाइंडर कुछ ना हो तो हम 2 ज़ीरोज़ यहाँ पर अटैच कर देंगे, ठीक है, और ये 2 ज़ीरोज़ यहाँ पर आ जाएंगे। क्लियर। नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखिए, 54 इंटू 25। 54 इंटू 25, अगर हम 54 को डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमारा कोशेंट आ जाएगा 13। जब हम 54 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारा कोशेंट आ जाएगा 13, रिमाइंडर बचेगा 2। 2 को 25 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, 2 को 25 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए एंड यू गेट द आंसर 50। दिस इज 1350। क्लियर। टेक द अदर एग्जांपल एज वेल। 984 into 25. First of all, divide 984 by 4. What is the quotient? Our quotient will be 246. When we divide 984 by 4, our remainder will be 246. Once again, the remainder is 0. So, we will put 2 zeros here. Clear? Okay. Next, 125. When we multiply a number with 125, first of all, we have to divide the number by 8. Then, similarly, what we have done in 25, we need to do in 125 as well. Done. See with the example, 8 into 125. 8. Divide 8 by 8. Our quotient is 1. Remainder is 0. How many zeros will we put here now? 1, 2, 3. Clear? Okay. Then 35 into 125. Divide 35 by 8. The quotient is 4. The remainder is 3. Multiply this 3 with 125 and you get 375. Clear? Similarly, 789 into 125 will give you 986.25. Next. So we have done. Now just look something here. When we are multiplying with 5, we are dividing the number by 2. When we are multiplying the number by 25, we are dividing the number by 4. And when we are multiplying the number by 125, we are dividing the number by 8. So we can say that when it's 5, we are dividing with 2. When it's 25, we are dividing it with 4. And when it's 125, we are dividing it with 8. So what is 5? It's 5 to the power 1. What is 2? It's also 2 to the power 1. This is just an observation. 25 is 5 to the power 2 or 5 square, and 4 is 2 square. And similarly 125 is 5 cube and 8 is 2 cube. So this is a small thing. Okay, see, there is some concepts behind this. Why dividing it with 4, here with 4 and here with 2? There are certain concepts with this. We will not deal with these concepts right now. Okay, you just need to remember these techniques. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय 9. एक अगर नंबर हो, चलिए एकदम सिंपल नंबर लेते हैं 8 इंटू 9. हमें पता है कि 8 इंटू 9 72 होता है. इसे समझने के लिए ही मैंने ये छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल लिया है कि 8 इंटू 9 72 होता है. तो हमें, या हम तो जानते हैं इसे, पर इसको देखने का थोड़ा और अप्रोच भी हो सकता है. हमें वो डेवलप करना पड़ेगा जब हम 9 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो. ठीक है, देखिए 8 इंटू 9 को हम 10 माइनस 1 लिख सकते हैं. जी हाँ, 9 तो 10 माइनस 1 ही होता है. ओके, उसके बाद जब हम ब्रैकेट को खोल रहे हैं तो 80 माइनस 8 आ गया, विच इज इक्वल्स टू 72. डन. नेक्स्ट 15 into 9, we also know it's 135. Here 15 into 10 minus 1, 150 minus 15, which will give you 135. And similarly this one as well. Clear? Okay. Now 99. When you see numbers like 9, you have to relate it with 10 minus 1. When you see 99, you relate it with 100 minus 1. When you see 199, you relate it with 200 minus 1, and similarly. Okay, and see here, if it's 999, then you will write it as 1000 minus 1, and this will help you solve the multiplication very quickly. Clear? 62 into 99 is equals to 62 into 100 minus 1 is equals to 6200 minus 62, which will ultimately give us 6138. Similarly 87 into 99 is equals to 87 into 100 minus 1, which is equals to 8700 minus 87 is equals to 8613. Now 101. 101 can be written as 100 plus 1. Right? 200 plus 1. 201 can be written as 200 plus 1. And similarly, so we will use these techniques. Okay. See here, 44 into 101. So 44 into 100 plus 1, which is equals to 4400 plus 44, which is equals to 4444. 136 into 101, it's 136 into 100 plus 1, which is equals to this one, and the answer will be 13736. Right? Okay. So here we are done with 9, 99 and 101. Let's proceed to multiplication by 11, and this is the easiest multiplication. Here you can see a few examples. 25 into 11. How can we solve it? Write this one first, 5. Add these two. 5 plus 2 is 7. Write this one, 2. Here is our answer. Okay. Understand the next one. 126 into 11. Write 6 in the unit digit place. Add 6 and 2. It's 8. Add 2 and 1. It's 3. Write 1. It's 1386. Similarly, now these were additions with no carry. Next example is 973. Put 3 in the unit digit place. 7 plus 3, it's 10. But we cannot write 10 here. We have to write first 0. We have to carry it to 1. Add 9 and 17. 9 and 17 gives you 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Once again, write only 7 and not 17. Carry 1. We are left with only 9. 9 plus 1 will give us 10. So this is how we get 10,703. Clear? Okay. If you are not understanding right now, just just see the video next. Okay. Multiplication of alternate numbers. 12 into 14. Just first of all, just leave this one. 5 and into 7. We all know 5 into 7 is 35. We can write 5 as 6 minus 1 and 7 as 6 plus 1. Clear? This format gives us the formula of a minus b into a plus b, which is nothing but a square minus b square, which is nothing but a square minus b square. So here this is 6 is our a square is 36. 1 is our b, so 1 square is, and minus will come here, 1 square is 1, so 36 minus 1 is 35. Clear? This is how 5 into 7 is 35. We can see using different approach. Now come to the example. 12 into 14. 12 into 14 can be written as 13 minus 1 into 13 plus 1. It's 13 square into 1 square minus 1 square. 13 square is 169 and 1 square is 1, and 169 minus 1 is 168. Done. Clear? This is the multiplication of alternate numbers. Friends, I just forgot to add one thing right here. Just do one thing. Let's take an example of 12 and 16. 12 and 16. What do we get when we multiply 12 into 16? Can anyone tell? See, 12 can be written as 14 minus 2, whereas 16 can be written as 14 plus 2. Clear? Once again, we got the form of a minus b, a plus b. So what is a square? 14 square is 196 minus what is 2 square is 4, and your answer will be 192. Clear? So this way also you can think. So we are done with the multiplication tricks. In the next video, I will give you some tricks on divisibility rule. Then we will proceed with our arithmetic section, ratio and proportion, percentage, average, and so on. So what is your home task for today? You have to memorize the table, squares and cubes. Table up to 20, squares up to 30, and cubes up to 25. Go through the techniques once and brush up the examples. solve the questions. In the next slide I have given you some questions, first this one and second this one. Okay, multiply 56 by 5, 25, 125, 9, 99, 100, 111. So you see, you are taking only one number and you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 results you are getting. You just answer this me in the comment section. This will be your homework. And multiply the alternative numbers. You can also try the second method I told you. In place of 12 into 13, you can use 12 into 17. 12 into 17. 12 into 16, sorry. Oh, sorry, we have done with 12 into 16. So let's see, 45 into 49 you can do. 45 into 49. It will be 47 minus 2 into 47 plus 2. So you can use that one as well. Okay. So thank you and stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. All the best. Thank you.